Hey, Heather from Hooked on Pickin here. I'm going to give you some time savers that will save you a lot of money because time is money. So here are some supplies that I'm going to show you that have been huge time savers for me, and I just want to let you know what they are, and you can use them or not use them. It's totally your choice. But number one, have a phone. If you're an online Amazon seller or eBay seller or Poshmark or Etsy or whatever platform you sell on, have your phone with you wherever you go so then you can look up the item and know exactly what you're buying. Also, when listing, sometimes you can scan it or scan the picture, especially with the Amazon app, and know what it is in case you can't find it by the UPC. So having a cell phone is huge time saver. Another huge time saver for me is having a barcode scanner. This one is actually got a cord if I wanted to hook it to my computer, but it's also wireless. It has a USB dongle that goes with it. And so having a scanner so that instead of typing in every single barcode number, which you can do, you just scan the barcode once you have the cursor in the box and it puts it in automatically, it pulls up the item right away. So this is a huge time saver for me. Another time saver for me that I have is a Dymo label writer. Every time I list an item, it automatically shoots out a label when I use my inventory lab, and here are the labels that go with it. So making sure you have enough labels and a Dymo label writer is a huge asset to have so that you can quickly adhere the labels and you're not having to cut labels out and things like that. Making sure that you have a proper scale so that there are certain items that have never been sent into FBA, and so if you have a scale you can weigh it and measure it and things like that. So having a scale, this is my 20 pounds or less mailing scale, and this does anything 20 pounds or less. When you get the whole box put together and you have your labels on, having a larger scale to weigh anything over 20 pounds or something that's a larger capacity that won't sit on this small little square, making sure you have one of these as well is a huge time saver. I always buy these half sheet labels. As you can see, it's just half a sheet, so that when I print my labels and my FBA label, I can put it and adhere it to the outside of the large box. So making sure you have some half sheet labels saves times as well, because then you're not having to cut the label out and then adhere it and then use packing tape to put it on, which is time consuming. And then another huge time saver is not having to drive to the post office, because I go onto USPS.com, schedule a pickup, and they come right to my back door and pick it up. Now, when you're shipping stuff to the Amazon warehouse, you do have to do UPS, not USPS.com, but if you're shipping eBay or Poshmark, you can schedule a pickup for the United States Postal Service. So these are my time savers. Don't go to the post office, have them come to you. You just go online. As long as you do it before 2 p.m., they'll pick it up the very next day. And then when you're sending stuff into Amazon, having the label writer and the scanner and all that stuff. So hopefully these things will be some tools that you may look forward to getting to. You don't have to start with all of them. Just buy them as money is there to be able to buy them for the business. And hopefully these will be helpful tools for you to save money, because time is money. And remember, when doing all this, in the end, Jesus wins.
If you are looking for resources to help you resell, just click the eBay link below to purchase my Hooked on Pickin Reseller program, which I created from my 10 years of experience reselling. It has checklist cards for Amazon, eBay, and Goodwill. The Goodwill card has over 80 different tips, items, and strategies listed by department. The eBay card has a 6-step guide for reselling, and the Amazon card has a 6-step guide for reselling. They are fully laminated so they can easily go anywhere without being ruined. These are a great resource to buy. Just click below. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.